Today, we're breaking down Databricks Unity Catalog. Let's get right into it.
Ever feel like your data lake is more of a data swamp? It's a super common problem. Well, Unity Catalog is Databricks' answer to that chaos. It's one governance layer for everything. So how does it pull this off? It all starts with a new way to organize data.
It introduces a new 3-level namespace, replacing the old 2-level system. A small change, big impact.
The easiest way to picture it is like a library, giving you a super clear, logical hierarchy. And this simple structure, it unlocks 3 governance superpowers. Let's dive into the first one. First up, unified security. This means one single place to manage who can see and do what. And it's all done with standard SQL commands, making permissions incredibly simple to manage. The key takeaway here? You can grant access with confidence, knowing policies are enforced everywhere. Next up, superpower number 2, automatic data lineage. This is all about where your data came from. Unity Catalog automatically captures lineage down to the column, tracking it across notebooks and dashboards.
This builds a ton of trust. You can finally answer that question, where did this number come from?
And finally, a new way to share data with partners, all powered by the Open Delta Sharing Protocol. This lets you securely share live data with any partner without ever creating risky, stale copies. Recipients get real-time access to the source data in your account, and it's all under your rules. Okay, so how do you actually put this into practice? Let's quickly go over getting started. A key concept to know is the difference between managed tables and external tables.
And migrating from the older Hive metastore is a manageable 3-step process.
To make sure you're successful, start small, plan your namespace, and give permissions to groups. So Unity Catalog really shifts governance from a defensive chore to a strategic tool for innovation.